Hey, I see a familiar face. Hey, Amanda, how's it going? It's good to see you again.
How are you?
Thanks for coming and hanging out with us today.
Thank you.
You've had an opportunity to go and see a lot of different technologies that Motorola's got here today. Is there one that stands out for you?
I really liked Orchestrate, set up in your very nice new boardroom, how all the technology blends behind one ecosystem.
That's great. And of course, coming from a security background like yourself, on the camera side, we got some really neat cameras out there. Is there that one in your history that you worked with a lot that you just found was that workhorse that you would recommend to your clients today, our clients?
Yeah.
Which one would that be?
I really like the multi-sensor cameras, just because you can get a lot done with one device. It can cut down costs, but it also helps kind of get a better picture overall.
My favorite thing about the multi-sensor is that you really got 4 cameras built into one, but you're only running one data cable.
Yeah.
So you're getting 4 out of 1 there. So the camera might be slightly elevated, but your cost of running cable and everything else comes down dramatically.
It was so nice to see you. Thank you.
Good. Thanks, man.